Hello dear friends, this is Sunil Tams Guruji from Tams Studies, India's leading digital coach. In this video, I am going to show you how to get tracking ID for new G4 Analytics. If you go to this admin section on the left bottom, admin, so this screen will appear in front of you, and here you have to, you can change this. You can select your property. So here I have this old Google Analytics for my suniltams.com and new one also. So this is the old one, UA dot something like that. This is the old one, and when you are in old one, you can get tracking info from here, tracking info, tracking code. Here, this is the tracking ID and this is the tracking code. But in this video, we are not discussing about the old one, we are discussing about the new one, that is GA4, that is GA4, this one. So here actually it is really struggling to see how to find the tracking code, tracking ID, but after this video it will become very easy for you. So you go to data streams, from where the data is coming to analytics, and this one, no data received in the past 48 hours, and this is your measurement ID called tracking ID. You can copy it and you can go to your website. You can easily paste this tracking ID there. Let me show you how I'm going to do it for my website. So I have this place in my website where I can replace the old Google Analytics tracking ID and I can paste the new one. It is taking some time. So this is the new ID. So I hope you found it easy. Let me show you once again in case you missed it. You just go to analytics, admin section, and here you select your property. Make sure you are selecting the new property, GA4 property. These are the old ones. All are, this one is just this is new, this is old, and for the same way, just suniltams.com, this is the old, this is GA4 Analytics, new one. Then go to data streams, then click on the stream, this one, this is stream, and here you will get the measurement ID. You can copy it, and few more things are there. If you need Google site tag here, Google tag manager here, and connected site tags, measurement protocol, so many things are there, but basically this video is for measurement ID, tracking ID from new Google Analytics. Thank you very much. Have a nice time.